Hey everyone, this is the last video in our series on how to use Scany to find really good swing trading setups. In the last few videos, I have talked about how to find swing trading setups, but Scany can also be used to find some long-term growth stocks, some really good one. So I just wanted to go over one signal that we have that will enable you to find those kinds of stocks. So what we can do is, if we click on this high revenue high EPS, this shows you all the companies that have a future revenue estimates of more than 50%. So these are the companies that analysts in Wall Street are expecting to really grow in the next few years or in the next few quarters. So if you click on these, you're going to come up with about 63 companies. And these companies, since they are high growth companies, these are going to present you great rewards, but with also slightly higher risk, because these are high growth companies, so they go up down slightly with more volatility. So just keep that in mind. Let's look at a few setups from April 1st. Since these are very long term setups, we might not find anything on the charts, but still, let's go over something. GOEV, this is, I believe, I do not know, I think this is a car company, but let's see. Yeah, I think this is a car company, and you can see that this hasn't gone up or down. This is almost on the same level, and you can see that this has fallen down by a lot. Let's see. And I can't see any future estimates for this, but since this has high growth estimates, this might actually, when it goes up, this might actually goes up by a lot. Let's see something else. I think this is a good one. You must all be familiar with this because this is a crypto. Oh, come on. So this was actually, so again, since this is not a signal, you'll see this like on March 1st as well. So I think this is just bad luck here. But let's say you should have seen this signal somewhere here as well. Probably here as well. And then you can see that this does move so much. So it moved from 29 to 57 in just 5 days. That's why these are growth companies and they move so much. Let's see if this was actually there. So let's go to 25 and let's click on this. This should be here. Please don't embarrass me. It is not. Let's go back. All right. Let's see. All right, this is not there. So again, I am embarrassed, but let me explain why that might have happened. So what happened here was, probably it should be there on Monday. Let's give me 1 second before I explain what happened. 123. It's there on April 1st. Let's see if it's there on Wednesday. Right. Okay, this was there on Wednesday as well. So what happens is, we update our revenue estimates every day, so that whenever new information comes in, we update it. So what would have happened is that the analysts might have updated their revenue estimates for Mara on, let's say, 30th 31st March. So that's where it was added into a system. So that would somewhere be around here. So there was still about a 42 to 57, let's say, about I think a $10 increase. So that was still high, but that since this is a long-term setup and we are trying to look for swing signals here, this didn't really work right away. But still, I think if you are aware of the crypto boom that we are in right now, you might know that hopefully in the long term we are going to go up, both with Mara and Riot and other cryptocurrencies such as BTC and ETH. So that's why the future estimates for these companies are really high, and these are the companies that you want to invest in. At least do some of your own DD as well, obviously, but these are really good candidates for companies that you might want to invest in. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry I couldn't find it before March 31st. It should have been there, but maybe the analysts were a bit late in updating their own revenue estimates. So that's why we got it a bit late as well. So I'll see you guys. Let's see. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. There is just one more thing that I want to discuss, and then we'll end this series. Thank you so much.